it's not going real well. I need to bulge this tower to cut out a cycle. Alright, and the S14 wiring is tough. So I can fit my whole hand underneath, just like the other side, all the way to the end. Alright, as of right now, it doesn't look like anything is rubbing. I'm going to try turning the wheels full lock both ways and see if I can hear any rubbing or feel any rubbing in the steering wheel. So let's get to that. Quarter glass. I already removed the seal up here, but we need to remove this seal on this side, this black stuff on this side, and on the other side. 2 is bodywork on the front bumper, on the door, and the fender, which needs to be done. Rubin's going to be doing that, and then Yev's job is pretty much just making the motor run. I'm cleaning up the engine bay a little bit. But anyways, I'm not going to waste any more time, and I'm going to get back to work.
So this stuff right here, this environmentalists hate this stuff.
For $1, and this stuff works the best. But I swear it's not good for you.
It does work the best. As you guys can see, like there's dirt literally just dripping down. It gets inside your lungs and it hurts. but it does work really well. I think the pump went bad. Look at the bolts. What the?
Why me? Out of all the people, I always break them. Damn, it's so clean.
It is, bro. I can recommend it.
Some good stuff, man.
You might want to wear a hazmat suit while using this stuff, but it does work. Alright, so I didn't vlog much of this, but this is old primered, sanded, and all the residue is off. Degreased, as well as this is all degreased, and the other side is also all degreased, and so is the other windows. So everything is degreased, and it is ready to have the sealant applied onto it, so we can put the window back on, and hopefully it doesn't leak. Yeah. We're not.
So we decided to go with extra rice.
So you have cleaned up the motor. We used oven degreaser as well as just other degreaser products that sell like at Walmart, just cheap degreasers, so we can get all the like chunks of mud and dirt and grime that's been stuck to this motor forever just completely off. And yeah, it looks really clean. think that this motor has 170,000 miles is just insane. But now if we walk over here, just room doing this thing. But yeah, so that's pretty much what's going on currently and what we're doing. I'm not gonna waste any more time, and I'm gonna get back to trying to assemble the whole interior.
I look back again, dream away, I can't pretend. Muffled voices follow me, empty faces I can't reach. Dream away until it's gone again. Oh no, not again. Fall away.
LA's finest. Dollar Tree special. Stuff works good. Okay, so I did the valve cover seal, water pump, new belts, fuel line, fuel filter, and that's about it. And we washed it all.
Love me now, it's real, don't pretend. Can't keep up with you, try and talk to you, but it's time.
Film it, man.
It's freaking cool, okay?
Walk away.
Look at Mark's like, yeah.
Tell me
I got the zoom out, it feels good.
what I've done before. Now I live whatever happened to me. Look bold and headstrong, but that's just a ploy. Heartache, constant ploy. Love me now, it's real, don't pretend. Try and talk to you, but it's tense. Love me now, it's real, don't pretend. Try and talk to you, but it's tense. Oh, I was scared, not the fame in my own cafe. I guaranteed my escape. While on my worst days, it feels like it's all to me. There's a red leather sheet and a wet but I know it's fake. By now I should keep away. Just hide it away.
Why does it feel so VIP?
It does feel VIP, huh?
It looks like there's a freaking bomb from up here.
I know, I told him he's gonna need to do something about that.
It legit looks like a bomb up here. There's the red light.
Looks cool from the outside.
Oh yeah. What do you think?
Well, turn off the light.
Alright, so I'm editing a vlog and forgot to film an outro. Anyways, the vlog is done and I'm just gonna leave this here.
There's the light here.
VIP.
And I'm just gonna the vlog. Anyway, the vlog. I'm just gonna leave this here.
Tell me what I would have done before. Now I let whatever happened to me.